Let's make this healthy vegetable fruit salad that is packed with lots of nutrients together. First, grab your chopping board and grater. Then grate some apple, cucumber and carrots. In a plate, combine the fruits. We have the grated apple for fiber and vitamins, cucumber for detoxification and hydration. We also have carrots for eye health and healthy skin. For a creamy taste, add some milk to it. You can choose to use whole milk or yogurt. For extra sweetness, drizzle honey to it. Then grab 2 eggs and mix everything together. This is a nutrient-packed salad that helps to support digestion, heart health, and overall well-being. It can also be taken at any time of the day. For extra crunch, add some grated coconut to it and enjoy your way into healthy eating. Thank you very much for watching. Please kindly subscribe, like, share, and leave me a comment in the comment section. See you next time with a more amazing recipe. Until then, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye-bye!